Have you ever wondered these budget backpackers, travelers, nomads who keep traveling all around the world? How do they manage to stay while hotels being so expensive? अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि आप पेरिस जाकर फ्री में रह सकते हैं, क्या आप यकीन करेंगे? Yes, you guessed it right. We are talking about couchsurfing. Haha, definitely not this one. It is couchsurfing. It is a practice of traveling around and staying with the people you do not know who list their homes on the internet for free accommodation. Couchsurfing का ये मतलब नहीं कि आपको काउच पर सोना पड़ जाएगा. You may get a bed, a bedroom, a bungalow, or even a cottage, depending on how lucky your day is. And if no such luck, then you might end up staying somewhere like this. Some may ask why. किसी अननोन के घर रुकने से अच्छा मैं होटल में रुक सकता हूँ. But the key reason behind this concept is to stay with locals and experience the culture the way money can't buy. Now the question is, where do I find these people? Where do I find this host? So the answer is couchsurfing.com. It is the biggest couchsurfing community with a network in more than 2 lakh cities and over 1 crore individuals being a part of this community. What can you do on couchsurfing? Well, you can find a host, be a guest, attend an event, or join a hangout. But is this the only community? Well, there are several other websites who offer similar services, and they are Hospitality Club, Be Welcome, Sarvas, and so on. Yes, it is absolutely free. Money shouldn't be exchanged for your accommodation. However, we all can bring a gift for our host. Yes, we all can be such kind-hearted and courteous. It's pretty obvious. Why does the host give you this space? To socialize. So let's not be mean and act only according to our interest. In short, if you are an introvert, couchsurfing may not be the thing for you. In May 2020, couchsurfing did something that created an outrage within the community. It locked out every member, active or inactive, out of the site, and as soon as you logged in, it asked its members to pay a monthly contribution of $2 to access your own profile. Wait, what? A monthly contribution to access my own photos, videos, reviews and groups? That's unbelievable. Do you know, when a host offers free stay to a guest, they are already bearing a lot of expenses. Had this money been going to the host, this could have been a lot better deal. As we have mentioned earlier, there are several other sites who offer similar services, but they still lack a few things to gain the trust of hosts as well as travelers. So here's what we think. Until and unless a great idea gives this concept a breakthrough and people learn to make money out of this and yet keep services free for travelers. So until then, let's enjoy what we have today and crave less about the hard work done by the community and come together and build this community strong again.